That's it? You're hitting the road? Are you going to stop at your mom, Mark?
Where is he? Nope. Look this way. Go this way. Look that way. Go look in that house. In the, what does it say?
Next door?
General store.
Oh my God, I can't watch this. I can't watch this. No.
That's perfect.
Wait, you said you would take the kids now, right?